interview is very scary, and that too when you don't know how you can describe yourself or you don't know about your qualities. In this video, I will give you few examples which will help you out to prepare your answer for the interview. But believe me, when it will be your own answer, you will be more confident while speaking it out at the time of interview. So take this video just as an example and frame your own examples. Communication is something which is required in each and every kind of job, whether it is sales, marketing, or any other job. If you don't have to interact with your client, then definitely you have to interact with your boss, with your colleagues, isn't it? So, when it comes to describing yourself in interview, you can always tell that I'm a people person. That means you are someone who is naturally outgoing. It doesn't take a lot from you when you have to talk to someone. That means you are one who can strike conversation easily and make others feel comfortable. So this attribute is especially helpful for professionals in customer service and sales position. But remember, if you are people person, definitely you will gel up with others easily. Now, how can you tell it at the time of giving your interview? You can say, Sir, I'm a people person. I love meeting new people and learning about their lives, their requirements, and their backgrounds. You can tell this when you are there to sell any product. You can always say that, Sir, I almost always find something common, or I speak on a common ground with strangers and I make them feel comfortable in my presence. This skill is especially helpful when you have to kick off projects with new clients. So, always use this kind of phrase or this kind of word to describe yourself. Don't forget to come up with your own example. So, other way of saying so can be, Sir, I'm an excellent communicator. And believe me, you have to show that. You just don't have to say, but you have to show that you are an excellent communicator. So, be prepared. You all know that almost any position in every industry requires someone who is good in communication skill. So, when a candidate can communicate well, they help to ensure that messages aren't muddled internally or when delivering information to a customer. Example could be, Sir, I'm an excellent communicator. I pride myself on making sure that people have the right information because it drives better result. Most of the business lag behind because of the poor communication skill. So make sure that you tell this kind of example which is positive. If you are applying for any sales job, then this could be a fairy tale word for you. And that is, Sir, I'm result oriented. A result oriented candidate is someone who keeps the end goal in mind and knows which resources it will take to get there. When employers know that they hire someone who is result oriented, they will do whatever it takes to get the job done. So make sure that you use this kind of word which portrays a good picture of you. But remember, you have to prove it, so be ready with the example. Now, example can be, Sir, I'm a kind of person who is result oriented. I constantly keep a check to my goal and determine how close or how far I am. You can also use this word when you are describing yourself, and that is, Sir, I'm highly organized. But remember, again, you don't have to tell, you have to show it. Whether it is your resume, your portfolio, or folder which you are carrying at the time of interview, make sure that they are organized. An organized candidate is also a detail oriented candidate, and anybody will help to have that kind of employee in their organization. Remember, this quality is especially important in administrative positions, project management, and other roles that require adherence to process and quality. Now, how can you tell this? You can tell, Sir, I'm highly organized. Also, as the roles and responsibilities state that I have to organize the documents, I also make sure that I keep my notes updated. I also like to keep a clean workspace and create a logical filing method. So, I'm always able to find what I need. This also increases efficiency and helps the rest of the team to stay on track too. So you can add up some more example. Here are a few more examples which will help you to describe yourself in any interview. There are many more. Remember, there are n number of qualities which could be described at the time of your interview. But believe in yourself and come up with your own quality because that will make you confident. It goes without saying that one who is ambitious does everything to receive or reach his or her goal. You can always say, I'm ambitious and self driven. Ambition and self driven are two qualities that are very essential to be successful and grow in many jobs. So, when an employer hires an ambitious candidate, they can rest assured that this new employee will consistently seek ways to improve himself or herself and keep their eyes firmly set on their next goal. Example can be, Sir, I'm ambitious and self driven. I don't need anyone to push me to do any work. I thrive on challenges and constantly set goals for myself. So, what I have to do is I strive towards it with full potential. So, these are a few examples which you can use while describing yourself in interview. Remember, these are only examples. Definitely, you have to come up with your own example because nobody knows you better than you yourself. Take care, bye bye, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Fresh Learning Academy for more such informative videos.